Hello and welcome back. So today morning I opened up this tool again. This is Miracle Thunder tool or Miracle box. Okay, so I opened up this morning and I realized the start button is disabled. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to fix it in this video. So when the start button is disabled, it means you cannot do any task. Because for example, if you tap on read the info, you cannot start up the tool, so you can basically do nothing. So let me show you how to fix it in just a few seconds. Okay, so what you need to do, you need to come to the computer settings and you're going to type date. Okay, so you come to date and time settings, and on the date and time settings you are going to come to set date and time manually and click on change. Okay, so once you click on change, you are going to change the month to any other month. Okay, and change the date. Okay, and then come to the year and drive it all the way back. Okay, change to at least something like 10 or 20 years back. Okay, and then after you click on the change button. Okay, so after doing that, you can close all the windows, and as you can see, the dates and the year have been changed. Okay, so now what you need to do, come and close this tool. Okay, close it and restart it again. Okay, so this should solve this problem. Okay, so you change the date, change the year, and change the month of your date. So as you can see, the tool has opened up and the start button is enabled, and you can go ahead and perform any task that you want. So as you can see, when you click the start button, USB serial port waiting. Okay, so this is it, guys. If you like my video, hit like button, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in another one. Bye.